You can upload multiple items along with all their data in one go by using the bulk spreadsheet upload tool, helping you to save potentially hours of time when managing a website. Ahead of this video then, you should have a number of items that you wish to upload and a website that is live. This is a spreadsheet where you enter all of the information for each item. This spreadsheet has been configured to be read by our system, so don't modify its structure and simply add in the data for your items in the relevant fields. To download your own bulk spreadsheet upload template, head to the Items section in Basket and look for the option titled Spreadsheet Bulk Upload. And press the blue Download this empty spreadsheet button and you'll see that the spreadsheet is downloaded on the left hand side. Just click and open it up. You are required to add a name. This must be unique and it can only contain alphanumeric characters. Add a summary. This is also required by the system, and this is just a brief description of the item, followed by a more detailed description if needed. Add an optional unique code SKU or stock keeping unit. This also must only contain alphanumeric characters. For price, do not insert any pound signs, just a number. Just have the exact figure, like 7999. And for weight, if required, enter the weight of the item in grams rather than kilograms or pounds. Add different variants for the same item. For example, in variant 1 you can add different sizes, prices and stock levels. Then use item 2 to maybe add different colours or another value. And for more information on variants, take a look at our video on managing stock for item variants. You can also add a total stock quantity if you don't manage the stock for unique variants. You can add tags here, and if you don't know how to use tags and why they are useful, take a look at our video on the subject. You should only add images if you know their URL. Do not add image addresses from your own computer. Take a look at our image videos if you need more help on this area. The custom fields section on the far right hand side allows you to add standard replicated informational field names with different values. Add these as name value pairs and use as many pairs as you require for your item. To learn more about custom fields, watch our video which is dedicated to the subject. You can upload a maximum of 100 items at one time from your bulk spreadsheet upload template. And remember to save the document in either XLS or XLSX format before clicking the green upload button here. Hit upload and you will get an immediate report on the status of the upload. You'll be told how many were successful and how many failed. And with that, you now know how to use the bulk spreadsheet upload tool. You should now watch our video series on groups if you haven't already to learn about how to bundle items together into logical collections. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.